Which Trickle charger is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Noco Genius 10. The Noco Genius 10, a smart battery charger that caught my attention with its 10A output and compact design. Priced competitively, if you want a powerful and efficient charging solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Genius 10 is designed for both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, which means it's versatile for cars, motorcycles, and even lawnmowers. It features an integrated thermal sensor that adjusts the charge based on temperature, preventing overcharging during hot weather and undercharging in the cold. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, this charger is a popular choice. Now, some people complained about its bulkiness, as it weighs around 4 pounds. Here's the thing though, the extra weight comes from the high-quality components that ensure reliable performance, so for most users, this is not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have multiple vehicles or need a robust charger for different battery types. Skip this one if you want something ultra-portable and lightweight. Now, if Noco's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its compact design.
Product number 2, MotoPower MP00205A. We have the MotoPower MP00205A, a budget-friendly option at just $16.99. This caught my eye because it offers solid features without breaking the bank. If you want an affordable way to maintain your battery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This charger automatically detects battery sulfation and uses pulse current technology to optimize performance. It's designed for 12-volt lead-acid batteries, making it suitable for most vehicles. Plus, it has zero output in standby mode, so you won't drain your battery when not in use. With over 5,000 sold recently, it shows that many are satisfied with its performance. Now, some users mentioned that the instruction manual isn't very clear. I'll be real with you, while that can be frustrating, most find it easy to use after a bit of trial and error, so it may not be a deal breaker for many. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple, no-frills charger. Skip this if you're someone who needs extensive features and a detailed manual right out of the box. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more advanced features. Product number 3, Battery Tender Junior. This little charger caught my eye because it's designed specifically for power sport vehicles and offers smart charging capabilities. If you want something compact yet effective for your motorcycle or ATV, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Junior features a complete 4-step charging program, which means it charges your battery fully before switching to float mode, ensuring that your battery stays at optimal voltage without overcharging. It's compatible with all 12-volt lead-acid batteries and has a 12-foot output cord, which is great for flexibility. With over 5,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many find it reliable. Now, some people complained about the lack of a user-friendly interface. Here's the thing though, once you set it up, it's pretty much plug and play, so if you're okay with a simple design, you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you need a charger for a motorcycle or ATV. Skip this one if you prefer a model with more bells and whistles. Now, if the Battery Tender Junior simplicity doesn't meet your needs, let's look at something that steps it up a notch.
Product number 4, Battery Tender Plus. The Battery Tender Plus. This charger is a step up from the Junior, and it's designed for those who want an adaptive charging experience. If you're looking to extend the life of your battery, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It adapts to your battery's needs, providing optimal charging while using a smart 4-step program. This means it can handle more than just basic charging, giving you peace of mind. It includes a quick disconnect harness, making it super easy to connect and disconnect. With a solid reputation and over 3,000 sold recently, it's a popular choice. Now, a common complaint is that it can be a bit larger than expected. Here's the thing, the size comes with enhanced features, so while it might be bulkier, it's definitely more effective for those serious about their battery care. This is perfect for you if you want a charger that can adapt to various battery types and needs. Skip this if you're short on space or want something more portable. Now, if the size of the Battery Tender Plus is a concern, you might appreciate this final option, which is incredibly compact.
Product number 5, Foval Automatic Trickle Charger. The Foval Automatic Trickle Charger.
What caught my attention here is its ultra-compact design and affordability at $16.98. If you want something that's easy to store and budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This charger is versatile and can maintain a variety of lead-acid batteries while providing an intuitive LED indicator for easy status updates. It features automatic switching to maintenance mode after fully charging, so it won't overcharge your battery. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining popularity for good reason. Now, some users pointed out that the cables could be longer. I'll be honest, while this might be a hassle for some setups, it's still manageable for most users and doesn't impact overall performance. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, compact charger that won't take up much space. Skip this if you need extensive reach or advanced features. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top Trickle chargers. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, but it really comes down to your specific needs.
To recap, we looked at the Noco Genius 10 for its power, the Moto Power MP00205A for budget-conscious buyers, the Battery Tender Junior for simplicity, the Battery Tender Plus for adaptability, and the Foval for compact design. Each has something unique to offer, so consider what matters most to you when making your choice.